welcome to Ramakidz educational video. So today I will be teaching you the phonics sound of alphabet E. You know A, E, I, O and U. There are 5 vowels, and other than A, E, I, O and U, other alphabets are called as consonants. So today I will teach you the phonics sound of alphabet E. So this is alphabet E. And do you know what is the phonics sound of alphabet E? A. The alphabet E has the phonics sound A. A for emu. Emu. E for emu. Emu. Emu is a bird. E for elephant. Elephant. E for elephant. Elephant. Elephant is the largest animal in the world, on the earth. It is a very large animal. It has a long trunk and 2 teeth. Next is E for elbow. Elbow. Elbow is a part of our bodies. This is my elbow. E for elbow. Elbow. E for engine. Engine. E for engine. Engine. Engine, you must have traveled in train, right? So, for train, when you see a train, the first bogie of the train is engine. Yes, right? So, E for engine. Engine. E for egg. Egg. E for egg. Egg. Egg is a healthy food. So can you see a hen? Hen gives us eggs. So today we have learned the phonics sound of alphabet E. And you know what is the phonics sound of alphabet E? E. So we'll meet next time with another phonics sound. Bye-bye.